An early morning start for us, but we're going to head off down to the lakes this morning and have a little ride down there. Possibly maybe a shower this afternoon, so we thought we'd make a bit of an early start of it, and then if we do get a shower, it's not a big thing really. We get at least we get out about this morning. So, but hopefully, but the weather does actually have a tendency in Slovenia to not be very accurate. You can quite often sort of see rain on your forecast, and then within an hour it's like sunshine again. So not completely reliable, but anyway, we're off down to the lakes. Hopefully take some footage down there and have a bit of make a day of it. Lovely little snippet on the way down to the lakes. Just come across this. Seems to be the case if you just follow the stream along, you just come across some just beautiful things. I'm going to stop gassing on. I'm just going to start panning the view around and let you have a look. There's this little building. I don't know whether it is, whether it's just some sort of monolith place where someone lives, or I don't think it's actually where they live. I think it's probably more to do with the maintenance of the lake, it's connected to a river and so forth. There you go. We've got I just stood on this wall here. Roll down that one and back on me. So I'm just saying, super Slovenia. What can I say? Right, just do a quick rotational shot, guys. Right, catch me with some more video later on then. Have a good one. Just made it to the lakes. Pleasant little ride up here. About from where we're staying, it's about 8 kilometres. It's not too bad. We actually sort of stopped on the way along the river. So anyway, nice little find. A little bit commercial, but it's actually quite nice. You know, see behind me the lakes. On what I do, it's enough of me, and I'll just pan around and show you the I'll carry on walking around. I'll stop every so often to give a bit of a take on the lake itself. But when you're travelling around Slovenia, you'll quite often come across these. They're called the Golden Horn. There's sort of a bit of a mythical character in Slovenia, but as I say, so you'll quite often find them scattered all over the place. Really, so it's quite a big thing in Slovenia. I just bumped into a lady who's got a deaf and blind boy, and she was asking for Maya's name, and I hope I got it right. She translated that Maya in deaf in Slovenia is so I'm hoping I got that right. But look, she did try and explain that to me, but I thought that's just great, isn't it? So basically, from what I can tell in Slovenian, Maya is. I've just noticed in the lake that someone's kindly put some stepping stones, what looks like to go through the middle. However, I think they probably didn't quite finish them off. If I turn it round, you'll see what I mean. They only actually go about, I don't know, half the way out. So I won't be stepping over those, I don't think. Cause reach the end of the lake. Beautiful little place to stop off, really. Got a little cafe at one end. Lots of places. I suppose if you're bringing kids here, there's loads of little places for the kids. They do allow swimming in the lake. I won't be doing it, obviously, but they do allow it. So a few little picture places around here. Nice little place. Nice little day to come out and maybe bring a picnic if you're coming out this way. It's all really good. It's just another little jewel in Slovenia, really. Everywhere you go, really, they have these little snippets of places that just socially are so nice. Hopefully you're enjoying the video. I'll keep you posted on any changes.